Welcome back. Today I have got a quick blender tip that can save you a lot of time. It's a shortcut shift+R. Here's how it works. Do any action first. Like here I'm extruding a face. Now instead of doing it all over again, just press shift+R. Blender repeats that exact action for you. Now press it again and again. You'll see it stack up, almost like a building steps. You can use this with scaling too. Scaling your object once, then hit shift+R and Blender repeats the same scale. Or try duplicating an object. Once you've done it, shift+R will keep duplicating with the same spacing. Just remember, it works best with simple modeling actions like move, scale, extrude or duplicate. More complex stuff might not repeat perfectly. So next time you're modeling, think of shift+R as your repeat button. Quick and super useful, right? If you found it helpful, hit like, subscribe for more blended. See you in next one.